Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the floor and gathering tools: utility knife, sponge, spray bottle, wallpaper adhesive, seam roller. Make a single small 1/8 puncture at the highest point of the bubble using a fresh blade, just enough to release trapped air. Once done, press down gently from the edges toward that puncture to expel air. This reduces stress on the paper. You do this to avoid tearing and to prepare the cavity for adhesive injection without lifting the surrounding wallpaper more than necessary. You now inject a thin, premixed wallpaper adhesive into the puncture using a syringe or fine-tipped bottle. Aim to fill the cavity but not oversaturate the backing. After injection, immediately smooth the paper with a seam roller or flexible smoothing tool, starting at the center and rolling outward to avoid trapped air pockets. Make sure to keep steady pressure and repeat small injections if needed. Once the paper is flat, blot any squeezed-out adhesive with a damp sponge so the surface stays clean while drying. You finish by gently wiping the seam, then allow the repair to dry with air circulation or a low-heat fan. Do not use direct high heat that can warp glue. Once dry, trim any tiny frayed fibers and press again if needed to restore a seamless look. If the bubble returns, carefully peel back the paper around the original puncture, add fresh adhesive, reposition to match pattern, and roll flat. This addresses missed voids. If problems persist, the backing may be compromised and section replacement may be necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.